Hello, my name is Pontsho and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you the 10 most helpful phrases in Sesotho. Now remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with your friends. Also remember to hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. Ke kopa thuso. Please help me. Ke kopa thuso. Please help me. O bua puo mang? What language do you speak? O bua puo mang? What language do you speak? If it's a man, dumela hle ntate. Hello sir. Ekaba o bua Senyesemane? Dumela hle ntate. Ke kopa thuso. Hello sir. Please help me. Ekaba o bua Senyesemane? Do you speak English? O bua Senyesemane. Senyesemane. Senyesemane is English in Sesotho. The person you're approaching says, "Eh, ke bua Senyesemane." Eh means yes. Ah means no. No. Eh, yes. If the person you're approaching is a woman, but an older woman, you would say, dumela hle mme. Dumela hle mme. Ekaba o bua Senyesemane? O bua Senyesemane? Remember, Senyesemane means English. Mme ha ke utlwisisi. I don't understand. Ha ke utlwisisi. Utlwisisi means understand. Ha ke means I don't. Ha ke utlwisisi. Ke kopa o phete hape. Please say that one more time. Ke kopa o phete hape. Pheta means ho pheta means to repeat. O phete. Ke kopa o phete hape. Please say that again. Ke kopa o phete hape. Sepetlele se kae? Where is the hospital? Sepetlele se kae? Sepetlele means hospital. Ke kae sepoleseng? Where can I get a police station? Sepoleseng. Where the police are. Ke lahlehile. I'm lost. Ke lahlehile. Ke lahlehile. I am lost. Ke lahlehetswe. So when you're saying ke lahlehetswe, you mean that something that is yours is missing. Ke lahlehetswe. Maybe your phone is missing, so you would like to tell them that you've lost your phone. Ke lahlehetswe ke phone ya ka. Phone. Ke lahlehetswe ke phone ya ka. Ke lahlehetswe ke tjhelete. Tjhelete means money. Ke lahlehetswe ke tjhelete. My money is missing. Ha ke tsebe hore ke hokae. I don't know where I am. Ha ke tsebe hore ke hokae. I don't know where I am. Ke kopa o mphe metsi. Please give me water. Metsi means water. Ke kopa o mphe means please give me. Ke kopa o mphe, please give me. Ke kopa o mphe dijo. Please give me food. Dijo, food. Please. It's used when you're asking for something. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, salangandle.